Man, I hate mowing the lawn. It used to be fun when I first did it, but now it sucks. What the just happened? Right, let's see what it is. What? It's a rock? Come on, please still work. Please. Oh. Yep, it's official. This lawnmower definitely is Hi, Woodall, what's up? Nothing really good. Yeah, why, Woodall? A rock has fallen and it broke the lawnmower when it hit the grass. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, I know what that's like. I just hate mowing the lawn now. It used to be fun, but now it's just stressful now. Don't even know why we even have to do it. You can say that again. Yeah. People mow the lawn to make their gardens look more good. Why does it matter anyway? Most gardens are the same anyways. Plus, it's not like we can get a new lawnmower now that one's because we are going to Egypt next month. Wait, we might not be able to buy a new lawnmower, but why can't we just fix the original one? P-Drog, I've never actually thought of that. Fundy Blimpy, you're good at fixing and building things. Yeah. You try and fix it? Sure. 5 hours later. 6 o'clock in the evening and still haven't fixed it. Yep, we're all done now. Go and test out the lawnmower. Oh, okay. Right, let's give this a test.